Bring the funk back.
Really wanted my dad to get his teeth fixed. I know how important it is to, have that nice appearance, especially with our work field. We're always in front of people, and so I really pushed for my dad to get his teeth fixed. And after the experience, he is just so blessed and so thankful that I pushed him to do that, because now he has his confidence and now he feels more able to be himself in front of other people. And so yeah, he's just super blessed and thankful of the experience, and Smile Forever, I think you guys did a wonderful job, and I would definitely recommend you to anybody that I know.